Would you believe they put a man on the moon? Man on the moon. Welcome back to High Preppers. Patty Perry here. I have another delivery of some food. I just got a few boxes. This and another small box coming in, and then we're going to try some of the regular MREs. But this here I got from, it says Online Superstore. The name of the store itself, I think it was Supply Warehouse. And this says online store, so I don't know if they changed their name or not. What I had ordered was, it's a 9-case pack of the Wise Weekender, the Wise food. I've come to figure out on a lot of these places, they're just like you or me, and they put warehouse or store in front of their name, and then when you want something, you order it from them. Then they order it from the place where they get it from, and then they get it in the house, they send it to you. It's so much better to try and get to the factory that creates the packs, because they're just a middleman. Because obviously they couldn't get that 9-case pack of Wise Weekender, 2 servings per pack, I think. I wanted one of those 9-case packs to do a taste test with, and the price was $49.99. Now, I paid on the 30th, but because that was a Saturday, it didn't go in. It's got the 1st. You can see that. Paid on the 1st. Do I care that that's all out there? So yeah. Then they wrote a note down here that says, note item 05913 refunded. And I looked in that, and that's the 9-case pack, or the 9-pack case, or whatever it is, for $49.99. The problem is I haven't been reimbursed the $49.99. I got the box today, and if this came out, or if they're saying I paid on the 1st, and this purchase order or receipt came out on the 1st, they knew on the 1st that the item was to be refunded, so why didn't they refund me? I sent a couple of emails. Ooh, maybe I should try this one, accounting online store. Maybe that's what I'll try. If I don't hear from them, I'm going to try that address, that email address. So anyway, what else I did order was, and these are basically for trials. I ordered 2 of the beef stew, and this is just the entrees, the primary meal. There's no napkins, there's no snack, there's no drink, there's just the primary meal. MREs, they're ready to eat. You can eat them right out of the package, or you can heat them up. So there was 2 of them. 5 of the barbecue sauce with chicken, black beans, and potato. I have to tell you right now, I already tried it. It's pretty good. And the other thing that we tried was the beef stew. And to me, it tasted just like Dinty Moore beef stew. You know how the Hormel company had, everything they have, all their little dishes has that flavor. Unique flavor. You taste it, you know right away. That's Dinty Moore beef stew. So that's what it kind of tasted like. But I'll tell you, it doesn't even matter, because at the point, if I got to a point where I was hungry, that I would grab a pack of this and eat it right out of the package, it ain't going to matter to me what it tastes like, just as long as I can get it in me. But let's go over what we got here. Okay. Well, I've already had this open. Now I can't open it. First I can whistle. Now I tin whistle. That's a joke, I can tell you. Alrighty, here we go. So, these are what I got. Now, like I said, these are just the entrees. One of these is what you would find in a regular MRE bag, with the utility packs and the crackers and desserts and whatever they had. But like I said again, this is just this. And we got, how many were in here? 5, 10, 11, 12. 12 of them. 2 are gone because we tested them as soon as they came in. Yeah, MRE Star. Now, MRE Star is the company that makes them. Again, like I said, they probably take your order and then order it from them, and then when it gets back to them, they send it out to you. That's why it takes a little bit longer, I think, because I think if you were right in a warehouse and had this stuff, you would have had it out, already out. But MRE Star is the name of a company that makes MREs not only for commercial consumption or just normal people, but also for the service, for the Army, for the Navy, for. So it's not bad. And this here was the barbecue sauce with chickens, black beans, and potatoes, and it was really pretty good. And since this is just the entree, there is no heating pack with it. You can eat it. That's what MRE is, meals ready to eat. You can eat it right out of here, and if you're hungry enough, you will. But it doesn't have the heat bags with it, so I want to show you what I did. I have one of these plastic containers that my brother gave me from, I don't know, either it was something he bought, or it was a meal, or it was like some meat or salad or something in this. And this is a perfect size. So what I did, I'm going to open one of these to show you the black bean sauce. We'll open the beef stew. That way if I do feel like it, I'll cook it up. So basically, this is the pouch. It says right on it. Now, a lot of people that do these, they'll give you the date and the numbers and tell you when it was made and blah, blah, blah. I'm going to do all that. I got that to put away. So it doesn't matter what the date is now. You know, if it tastes good when you eat it. I've seen gentlemen and other people just eat MREs that are like 40 years old, 50 years old. If it tastes bad or smells bad, they don't eat it. If not, I mean, I've seen them eat stuff 20 years. It's just, it lasts, you know. So I'm not going to look for a date. What I did was I laid this right inside there. I poured boiling water. You know, the water's boiling, you shut it off. It kind of stops boiling for a second. Poured it on there. This was safe enough to handle it. Nothing came through. Put it on there. The water covered it right over. Put the cover back on it like this and just left it for 10 minutes. When I came back in 10 minutes, it was not piping hot, but hot enough to eat. Would have liked it a little bit warmer. Could be because of the container. But other than that, delicious. Like I said, I love the black bean. The other, what was the other one? The beef stew. Tasted like Dinty Moore. You know? Black bean and barbecue sauce. The barbecue sauce was very, very overwhelming in this. Black bean, it's barbecue sauce with chicken and black beans and potatoes. Barbecue sauce is very overwhelming with an undertaste of like a vinegar. And not bad, but I would have liked to taste the black bean more. Black beans have their own unique taste, and they have a bite to them that's really good. All I could do was the texture. I couldn't taste it because all I tasted was the barbecue. Other than that, it was good. Like I said, I just would have loved to have tasted the black beans more. But like I said, you're hungry? Shut up and eat. So that's what this is, and I'm going to repack this. Like I said, it's the MRE Star. So you may want to not look at places that are like supply company or something. You want to go right to the people. You want to go right to MRE Star, you know? And you'd probably get it for a cheaper price because you wouldn't be paying the middleman. You know, and that's a good idea. Barbecue avec et pommes. That's good though. I love that. Oh, I forgot this one. Cheese tortellini with marinara sauce. That's going to be good. So anyway, that was the next order. And I have one more thing I'm waiting on, which should be here really soon. I'm surprised it's not here yet. But because it's also coming through Patriots, 4 Patriots. It's called 4 Patriots with the number 4 and Patriots. Well, they're just another supply company. And what you want is My Patriot Supply or Patriot Pantry. That's the place that makes their own. And I'm not saying it to be mean or anything, but for anybody who's serious about doing it, you want to get your best, your best bite for your buck there. So, and I'm going to keep this with that. Close that up. Perfect how it fits right in there, huh? Some water, let it set, maybe cover it with a dish towel or something. And like I said, it's delicious. Then you can dump out the water and reuse it too. You can dump it back in the kettle because you're going to boil it, So, that's good to have. Is that closed? Not like that. So anyway, so that was the next batch. Now it's just waiting to get my deposit back, because when I get the deposit back, I'm going to get something else from another company. I want to try Wise, but they're so expensive. And it's a $250 minimum for free shipping. There is a code, FB Comeback, which will get you free shipping. So that's not bad. So I think I might want to check them out if I can get the free shipping. Other than that, it's just a little bit much for me or my needs. As of right now, plus my means. My needs and my means. And that's it. I just would really like to get that $49.99 back from the people so that I can get some more stuff. So I'm going to finish my donut and my coffee. Peace.